Hi, Austin here from Laser, and thank you for joining us. Today's instructional video is on the new GPS Sports Watch S10. This video is set up into three parts: buttons and shortcuts, setting the time and time features, and main features. For now, let's look at buttons and shortcuts. The S10 has 4 buttons, 2 on each side. Mode at the top left, followed by function, light and record. The mode button has 3 main functions. The first function, when pressed, it toggles you between each of the 2 time zones. Time zone 1, your main time zone, is represented as the day of the week. Time zone 2, which can be used for any country zone, is represented as T2. The second function, when pressed and held, you can enter into the time zone settings menu, seen here by the flashing time zone digits. The third function is from any menu screen to return you back to the main time screen after changing or viewing user settings. Moving on to the function button. The function button has 2 main functions. The first function, when pressed to enter the main menu screen, we can see here the first menu option flashing, which is NAV. The second function is to save changes from the main menu settings screens. Moving on to the light button, when pressed to turn on the backlight on temporarily. The second function, to navigate up through menu items. The third function, when pressed and held, to enter the stopwatch feature, shown here as SPWH. Lastly, moving on to the record button, the first function, when pressed, shows you the last time and date your GPS coordinates were updated and what those coordinates were. The second function is to navigate down through menu options. And the third, when pressed and held, to turn on the GPS search, which updates your coordinates. Well, that concludes this section for buttons and shortcuts. We hope this video has been informative. The next section will be on setting the time and time features. Thank you.